Hey class, hello everyone. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, khamma gani, vanakkam, and welcome to all of you to today's session. That is your maths construction, and this is your session 2. In the last session, if you remember, we have done about the construction of a line, right? We have done the construction of formation of different angles, right? So today we'll be learning the construction of the angle bisectors and some interesting questions related to that part, right? So before I start my class, let me just first introduce you to those who are new here. Let me tell you about what is Vedantu's subscription, right? So you must be feeling really big problems with one of the other problems you can identify yourself, which you may be facing right now. That is maybe doubts. Your doubts are not being cleared, or maybe notes are not given to you at time, or test and assignments are not taken regularly, so that you are still facing lack of confidence in examination, competitive examinations if it is there, so you are not able to get the guidance or the coaching for that, choice of schedule. Okay, like you are free at some time, classes are at some time, or sometime you also have some work, so you, in that case, you have no option other than missing the class, and the choice of language. So all these problems are solved by Vedantu, because we have dedicated teachers to solve your doubts. Notes for every class will be provided to you. Tests and assignments will be shared on a regular basis. Tests are taken regularly, that too on the pattern of your grade 10th board or grade 9th examination, so that you can score maximum in your examination. Competitive examination preparation will also be done under Vedantu's course only, the subscription which you will be taking. Schedule whichever suits you, whichever chapter you want to study, whatever chapter you like, you can study that chapter whatever number of times. And also, the most important thing is, suppose due to some reason you are not able to see the session, or you're not able to attend the session, you can watch its recording always. And the choice of language, it is English or Hindi as per your ease at okay, wherever you feel comfortable, right? तो ये सारी चीजें है बेटा ना, ये सारा वेदांतों में सॉल्व हो रखा है. अदर देन दैट, अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस तुम लोगों को मिलेगा. माइक्रो कोर्स मींस चैप्टर स्पेसिफिक कोर्स. द व्हेन आई वाज सेइंग ना कि तुमको जो भी चैप्टर एक बार में समझ में नहीं आया तो दूसरी बार वापस पढ़ लो, तीसरी बार वापस पढ़ लो, जितनी बार पढ़ना है उतनी बार पढ़ सकते हो. रिवाइज करना है तो इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉचिंग अ रिकॉर्डिंग, लाइव सेशन में बैठ सकते हो, राइट? एंड क्रैश कोर्स की एग्जाम से पहले क्रैश कोर्स होगा, सो दैट पूरा पार्ट रिवाइज होगा. Performance reports will be given to you, and personalized attention, okay, to each and every student, right? So to register for this course, you need to visit this link vdnt.in/ytpro. Now the good thing about here is that on the occasion of Independence Day, on 14th, 15th and 16th, these 3 days, the subscription is available to you at 50% off. Regularly, whenever I will give you the discount, I will give you the coupon code, I will say there is a 15% discount, but this time it is 50, right? So for doing that, you need to visit the link vdnt.in/ytpro. In the description box also this link is mentioned. Once you go there, you will need to select your grade, so grade 9, okay, CBSE 2021, and click on get subscription. As soon as you'll get here, so regularly the price is 2699 to 2295.15. regularly, when you use the coupon code GP Pro, the price is 15% off is given to you. But right now, if you will apply GP Pro for these 3 days, if you'll apply the coupon code GP Pro, you will get minus 50%. That means 50% discount. So this coach, which is a 2699, it will be available to you at 1350 something. Yeah, 1350.50. So on that, this course will be available to you. So you can see it's a huge deal. Do not miss out. And I am telling you that this opportunity, I don't know when you will be getting next. Directly take for 6 months, so that everything is clear and you are getting it at the half the price, right? So all the students, these are the prices for 3 months and 6 months. Everywhere on all the prices, you will be getting 3 months discount. You will be getting 50% discount. So the price at which after 15th or after 16th, the price at which you will buy the 3-month subscription, if you will buy during 14th, 15th and 16th, you will be able to get 6-month subscription. So this is the best time. Apply the code GP Pro and get 50% off. Got it? Okay, so this is the part over here. Now let's come to the part of our today's session. That is, we are talking about the perpendicular bisector, right? So perpendicular bisector ka beta, we will be doing the basic for the perpendicular bisector, we will be doing the basic construction, right? The basic construction of perpendicular bisector, how do you do it? So first thing, let's understand what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector. So suppose I have a line like this. Suppose AB is a line. AB. This AB will have some midpoint here. Let's say C is the midpoint. Through this C, if I draw a line in such a way that this line is perpendicular to AB, through this C you can draw many lines, right? You can draw many lines, but through this midpoint you draw such a line which is perpendicular to AB. So you can clearly see this line, let us say this is line L. This line is perpendicular to AB, right? This line L is perpendicular to AB, and also it is dividing AB in two equal parts. Both are equal because C is the midpoint. So this line L is called perpendicular because it is at 90 degree, and bisector because it is dividing it into two equal parts. Now how do you construct it? How do you construct it, right? So for the construction, look over here. Okay, so this is how you will draw the perpendicular bisector for any line. Suppose you have drawn any line. Now what you are going to do next, you are going to take your compass and you are going to open it more than half of the distance of this line. What you are going to do? You are going to open the compass for more than half. More than half you need to open. Okay, you need to open. Suppose this is the line length, so open it more than half. You can open whatever amount you like, but open it more than half. Okay, once you have opened the compass more than half, after that you will make two cuts. You will do two cuts, one at the top, one at the bottom, as shown here. One cut here, one cut there, right? Now keeping the compass length same, keep the tip of the compass on the other vertex of this line, and then here also make two more cuts wherever these two will intersect, right? So you got that these two cuts are intersecting over here and these two cuts are intersecting over here. Now join these two points, the points of intersection, join these both point of intersection. The point of intersection, if you will join it, the line which you will be getting, this line will be the perpendicular bisector. This line will be your perpendicular bisector, right? So as simple as it, what you will do, first you will be drawing the line, then you will open the compass length for more than half the distance of the line, one cut at the top, one cut at the bottom, keeping the compass length same on the second part, one cut at the top, one cut at the bottom. Done. Wherever both the point of intersection you have got, join both of them, your line of intersection is with you, right? So this is how you draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, just see the video one more time. You can watch the video one more time. You have drawn the line, right? Open the compass length more than half, one cut at the top, one cut at the bottom, here also one cut at the top, one cut at the bottom, and join the line, right? So this is how you will be able to draw the perpendicular bisector of any line. So these videos I am getting at this website, Maths is Fun. So you can also visit this for the amazing videos, right? So let's move ahead now and let's solve some questions. This was the topic. Let's solve some questions related to it. Okay, beta. So dekho bhai, let's look at some questions. What are the questions? Okay, the questions we have, first one, draw a line segment AB which is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Draw its perpendicular bisector, measure the length of each part. So I'm just drawing a rough diagram, okay? It is not exactly correct. Let's say it is AB of length 5.6 centimeter. I will open the compass to more than half. So suppose if I keep the tip of the compass here, I open it more than half. So one cut will be here and the other cut will be here. Then I'll keep the tip of the compass over here. So one cut will be here, one cut will be here, other cut will be here. So if I join these two, the point of intersection, where one point of intersection here, one point of intersection here, right? These two cuts intersecting over here, these two cuts intersecting over here, and if I join both of them, so this line, actually it is not looking perpendicular, but it will be perpendicular. Okay, it is not looking perpendicular that I can see, but it will be perpendicular. So ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा, right? I don't have a compass, so I can't help you in this regard. So this is how it will look. Okay, this is how the perpendicular bisector will look. Okay, chalo. So measure of the length. What will be the measure of each part? Let us say this is P. So AP will be, this is 5.6, right? So it will be 2.8 and this will also be 2.8. It will be dividing it into two equal parts and this angle will also be 90 degree. This is how you draw the perpendicular bisector. Very easy part, right? Next question. Draw a circle with center at point O and radius 5 centimeter. Draw its chord AB. We have to draw chord AB and the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Got it? Does it pass through the center of the circle? Does it pass through the center of the circle? So let's see. Let us draw a circle. Let us draw a circle and let's say its radius is 5 centimeter. The center is O. Okay. Now I have drawn a chord. I have drawn a chord over here. Let's say this is the chord AB. Now you can draw any chord you can draw, no matter where you are drawing it, maybe bigger, maybe smaller, whatever it is. Draw any chord AB. Then what you are going to do, you are going to draw perpendicular bisector. So open the compass, tip of the compass here, open it for more than half of the length. Okay, one cut here, other cut here, open it more than half, one cut here, other cut here. Okay, so if I join these 2 points of intersection, so this will be perpendicular. See, my rough diagram also is coming so correct, right? So this will be A, this will be B, and this will be the point P. This is the perpendicular bisector. Now if you will extend this perpendicular bisector, you will find out that this perpendicular bisector always passes through the center of the circle. Perpendicular bisector को if you will extend it, कहीं भी देखोगे, it will always pass through the center of the circle. Got it? So this is the property which you are going to, this is one of the properties which is there in grade 9 in topic circles, and as you all know I have covered that part as well. So in that you know that the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord, right? And the converse was that if we join the midpoint of a chord to the center, it is perpendicular to it. So if I join the midpoint of a chord to the center, it will be perpendicular. So this OP will always act as a perpendicular bisector on the chord AB. So wherever you have to draw any perpendicular bisector on any chord, so wherever is the midpoint, join the midpoint of the chord with the center, that will be acting as a perpendicular bisector. So you can see how all these chapters are related, right? You can very well see how all these chapters are related. Okay, chalo. Let's solve one more question now. So the next question is this. Construct an equilateral triangle, each of whose altitudes measure 5.4 centimeter. Measure each of its side, right? So अब देखो triangle you need to form, तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ कि what they are asking, and the properties of the triangle also we need to understand. Construct an equilateral triangle. You want an equilateral triangle, so I am just drawing a rough diagram and seeing that how it will look. Each of whose altitude measures 5.4 centimeter. So the length of the altitude is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, so length of all these altitude. Let me draw the altitude with a different color. Okay, all these altitudes. All these altitudes are of what? 5.4 centimeter. You don't know what is the side. You don't know what is the side of this triangle. You know that the altitudes are of 5.4 centimeter. Measure each of its sides. इसकी sides पता करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है बेटा. अब देखो. What I saw कि sir, since it is an altitude, so you know that in an equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, altitude, median, all of them represented by the same line, right? So this altitude will be dividing it into two parts as well because it is median as well, right? So I know that sir by geometry, देखो, what is the thing which is required for me? I know that sir by geometry, I know that sir by geometry This altitude is 5.4 centimeter, and also this altitude will be dividing this line into two equal parts. Correct? Yes, sir. Also, so I know that this is acting as an angle bisector. Also, this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 90. So by angle sum property, this angle will be 30 degree. But this will be acting as an angle bisector also, na? So this angle is also 30 degree. Right? So now I will try to implicate the same thing. Okay. So what I will do, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. First, I will draw a line of some length, है ना, थोड़ी बड़ी line draw करेंगे. Okay. And choose any point, कोई भी एक point choose कर लो बेटा यहाँ पे. Suppose यहाँ पे choose कर लो. Or you can get the midpoint. Draw a bit big line, है, थोड़ी सी बड़ी line draw करो. If it is 5.4 centimeter, draw a bit big line, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter लंबी line लो. And draw its midpoint. So you will do its midpoint by what? You will be drawing the perpendicular bisector. So open the compass more than half, make one cut over here and make one cut over here as well. Then open the compass more than half, make one cut over here and make one cut over here. Right? So if I will join these 2 points, I will get my perpendicular bisector. Diagram though, yeah, I am also loving this diagram. It has come accurate. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector, right? So now what you'll do, let us say this is one of the side. I don't know what is the length of the side, but midpoint of that side is this. Okay, let me name this part here. So let us say it is A, B, C and D. So I have got my point D, midpoint. So this is my point D. Now you know that the length of AD is what? 5.4 centimeter, right? So measure with scale. Okay, with scale, open the compass to a length of 5.4 centimeter. Okay, put a scale, open the compass till a length of 5.4 centimeter and make one, keep the tip of the compass here at D and make one cut at 5.4 centimeter. Let us say this cut is 5.4 centimeter. So now it is the point A. This is your point A, right? Now you know that point B and point C both lie at an angle of 30 degree. Both lie at an angle of 30 degree, right? So I will draw an angle of 30 degree over here. So you know how to draw the angle of 30 degree. Okay, keep the tip of the compass here and draw a semicircle. थोड़ा सा याद है सबको? Remember, yesterday only I have taught how to draw 30 degree. Yesterday only I have told you how to draw 30 degree. Now keeping the compass length same, first cut here will give you 60 degree, right? This is 60 degree. Now if I take one more bisection, if I bisect this part, so from here keeping the compass length here, one cut will be somewhere here, other cut, keep the tip of the compass here, other cut will be somewhere here. So this is my angle of 30 degree. So with A, wait, I have made a mistake. I need to draw from A and I have put it from somewhere else. Okay, so A should be the center of the circle. So keeping A as the center of the circle, draw a circle. Okay, now keeping the compass length same, if I keep the tip of the compass over here, the first cut will be equal to what? 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree. Now between 0 and 60 degree will lie 30 degree. So draw the angle bisector over here, keep the tip of the compass, make one cut over here, make another cut over here. Okay, so now join point A through this part. So this will give you point B. This will give you point B because I know this angle is what? 30 degree. Right? Similarly on this side also draw an angle of 30 degree. So first cut will give you 60 degree. Right? Then keep the tip of the compass over here. One more cut here. One more cut. Keep the tip of the compass over here. One more cut over here. So now again join it with A. So you will get your vertex C. So this is again 30 degree. Right? So this is your point C. So BC also you have got automatically, and automatically AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD. So ABC is your equilateral triangle. Got it? ABC is your equilateral triangle. ABC is your equilateral triangle. So I first saw the rough diagram and I gathered some information. Okay, sir, AD is 5.4. Okay, angle at B and angle at C is 60-60. So angle, this AD will be dividing this angle A into two equal parts, 30 degree and 30 degree. So I first draw a big line. Okay, then I found out its midpoint by drawing perpendicular bisector. That midpoint I have told that is D. Now at the distance of 5.4 centimeter in the perpendicular direction, you will get A. So I made one cut of 5.4 centimeter and I have got AD as 5.4 centimeter. Right? AD you have got as 5.4 centimeter. Now from A at 30 degree, wherever this line will intersect this black line, that will be point B, because BDC will be lying in a straight line, and at 30 degree wherever it intersects, that will be point C. So ABC is the required triangle. Now what? Measure each of its side. So scale leke measure kar lo, right? Scale leke measure kar lo, you will get the part. You will get your answer. As simple as that. ठीक है? So I want all of you to draw this and let me know what will be the measure of its sides. I am not telling you. What will be the measure of the sides? What will be the side of triangle ABC? Try करके देखना बेटा. ये sides क्या होंगी? It is an equilateral triangle. All three sides will be equal. So you have to tell me what will be the measure of each side. Let me know in the comment section, because last time I got many comments ki sir no homework, sir no homework. But this chapter is like this ki yaar isme homework dena is very difficult. All that too in this platform, right? You cannot paste the photo of your construction. If there was a feature where you can paste the photo in the comment section, I would have given the homework, but there it is not. But this time I saw ki yeah, in this question I can give you the homework. So this is your homework. You need to measure each of the side, do this construction on your own and tell me what will be the measurement of this side of the triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle. Which is an equilateral triangle. Got it? So let me know what should be your answer. Okay beta. So this is all in today's class. I know the class is very short, but again it's the very important thing that on 14th, 15th and 16th the Vedantu subscription is available at 50% off, right? So don't miss this opportunity. vdnt.in/ytpro and apply the coupon code GPPRO. Best opportunity beta, 50% off. You will see the prices. I don't know when you will be getting the same prices. So take the benefit and join us at Vedantu. Got it beta? So thank you so much yaar. Thank you so much for attending the session. I hope sabko maza aaya hoga. Last question was really interesting. So don't forget to draw the same construction and let me know what will be the measurement of that side. Got it? So this is all. Thank you so much. If you have liked the session, please do not forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to this channel. This is all in today's class. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz. See you soon. Sayonara. Okay, chalo. Bye bye.